Hamstring curl. The hamstring curl is to the hamstrings what the leg extension is to the quads. There are a few different leg curl variations, with two of the most common being shown in these videos. Studies have shown that the seated hamstring curl is the most effective variation of this exercise. Just like with the leg extension, adjust the seat and the pad to your body. Then bring your heels toward the butt by flexing the hamstrings. You may need to push on the handles in front of you so your butt and back stay on the seat. The lying hamstring curl is also great. Again, adjust the lower leg pad and bring your heels toward your butt with your hamstring.